Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, I'll show you how to replace the air filter cartridge in a Frigidaire refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new air filter cartridge. The air filter cartridge is located in the fresh food compartment in the upper left corner. It's mounted in a special compartment on the left upper corner. The filter is used for cleaning the air while the air is circulating through the compartment. The fresh flow refrigerator air filter cartridge should be replaced on a regular basis in accordance with the manufacturer's recommendations. To get to the part, we need to open the fresh food door. To remove the old air filter cartridge, we just grab it right here at this edge and pull it out. And next I'm going to slide the old cartridge from the frame. And put the frame here. This is the old air filter cartridge next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Now, before installing this into the fridge, we need to prepare it. We're going to punch this along the lines and peel off this side of the cartridge. Alright, and tear it off. Now we're ready to install it. Right, so we got here a new cartridge and a frame. We're going to slide it in, just like that. It goes in. Push it all the way. And if you look here on the side, you will see the months. You circle the months you installed it in, and you will need to replace it every 6 months according to manufacturer specifications. Now I'm going to slide it into this case. And now we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.